go. Move your head. Don't try to go down there.
I need to do a face down.
No, start from there.
Right there. Let Ashley go.
I can't do a sitting, Mom.
Go face first.
No. No.
Let Ashley go, Jake.
Let Ashley go behind you first. Move.
Move.
That thing starts spinning on you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Ashley, don't. Ashley, no, butt. Oh no, this hurts my knees.
Hang on.
You all right?
Yeah, she's good. Watch out, Ash.
Wait, Ashley's not out. Hang on.
Got snow on you, Ashley.
What?
You got snow on your
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Watch out, Dad. Oh no.
Oh my God, he's not gonna stop. Jake, you don't need to go that far.
Then you got the wind knocked out of you. Right here.